here's how to make an Amazon wish list and share a link. So for us to get this done, the first thing that you are going to do is head over to Amazon.com, and then you're going to go ahead and look for a product. Now, say for example, we're going to go ahead and type here cell phone case. And yeah, let's say for example this one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and click this, and what's gonna happen is that you should be able to scroll down here and look for add to list option. So I want you to go ahead and tap that, and from here, instead of shopping list, what is gonna happen is you're going to have to rename this one. I'm gonna go ahead and type here Christmas wish list, for example, just like so, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click the create button. So now that we have added it, let's just go ahead and try to add one more thing. So let's try, okay, this one. And then I'm going to repeat the same step, click add to list, and we're going to go ahead and choose Christmas list. All right, so now that we have added both of them, the next thing that we're going to do is click this one or hover over here and then choose manage list. And then we can go ahead and change a few things. The first things first, we're going to go ahead and click the shared button right here. And then down below, we're going to look for the address. So here we have the shipping address. You can go ahead and click that over there and then click create new, and then you can go ahead and basically add your address in here. So now that I have added my address, for example, I'm going to go ahead and click share my address or share my shipping address with sellers. And then what's going to happen is click the save button. So now that we have added the address, the next thing that we are going to do is send this one to others. So click this over here, and then we're going to go ahead and send this to someone. So what you're going to do is choose view only and then copy link, or you can also go ahead and invite them via email. So just go ahead and click that over there and choose how you would email them. For example, you have Outlook and then Gmail. So again, I'm going to copy this one and I'm just going to share this to another person. So when they open it, it's gonna look like this. Let's go ahead and try to open it. There you go. So yep, that is how you are going to create an Amazon wish list and share the link to others.